Here I have a 1978 KZ1000 that I bought from a man in Ohio named Jack Presswood, kind enough to sell me his project bikes that he wasn't going to get around to doing, and thank you very much, Jack. So they are definitely project bikes. So I've got this 1000, and I'm gonna see what I can do to get this thing back up and running. And I'll probably put this one up for sale when I get it all cleaned up and rebuild the motor. And I'm gonna see just how nice I can make this one look without going too crazy. Jack also sold me his KZ900, which that one I think I might actually want to keep and maybe do some, I don't know, some kind of custom somethings to it. Came with a couple of engines. I'll have to figure out which one I want to put into that frame. But this one is the one that I'm going to be working on first. And I just put together a vapor blast cabinet. So that is going to be getting lots of work here, cleaning up all these engine parts and aluminum pieces, and we're going to see just how nice we can make it look with that. So this thing is definitely a work in progress. I haven't really decided where I'm going to go with this project. So right now I'm just kind of looking it over. I think I'm going to do a little video log of my progress. It's got some good attributes. I think I can work with this. I'm hoping it's not going to cost me a fortune to get it up and running. But it definitely has a lot of areas that need some cleanup. There's a lot of oxidation, a lot of corrosion, but nothing has been painted previously, which I like. I think I'm going to go with like a cleaned up aluminum look on the engine. Lots of stuff is going to have to be powder coated. Going to have to do some rebuilds. So that's what I'm working with.